on the bus stop. Learn with First. Learn with First. First, first, first.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download First.
It's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest.
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh, hello everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Far away and close to me. And far away and close to me. Playing with my toy car. Daddy's bought me a new toy car. I can make it go far and close with this. Want to see? Let's send the car far away to the flowers. Far, far away. Yes. Oops, oops, oops. Sorry, Ball. Now let's bring you back. Back to me, back to me, back to me, back to me. Oh, great. Now let's send you off again. Far away. Whoa, watch out, car. The car is so far away, I can't even see it. Let's bring it back. Come closer, car. Just a little closer. Oh, you're close to me again. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.